Hey guys, Super Guzzle Final Horse here, and today I finally got my package, and you already know who it is. So let's shut up and get this over with. Holy crap, I cannot believe it. Finally, after freaking waiting for almost like a week now, I finally get this figure. I honestly, folks, at first thought that he would come with the other three kaiju, but instead he kind of showed up last, honestly. Well, not three, two. Actually, there was only two Gamera. There was only two Gamera for kaiju that they only made. Okay. The moment we've all been waiting for. Okay. Oh my god, I see my saying, oh my god, yes, hell yes. Oh my god, this is... So I got the gamera rebirth, baby. Holy crap, I got him. Yes. Be reunited with your other gamera rebirth figures, buddy. Holy crap. I'm crying. I am literally crying right now. I honestly thought he would show up with his two friends, with his, two enemies. But no, he showed up last. But that's okay. Just holy crap. My god, he actually really does look like the 2015 design. Now that I look at him up close, he looks very identical to that design. Just with a few changes. But, oh my god, yes. Yes. Okay, hold on, I want to see the size difference between him and Gamera Knight. Oh my god! This guy is freaking bigger. Also, the tail is bigger too, holy crap. But yes, finally, I got two new Gamera villains and a new Gamera design. Holy crap. Now I really need to get the other Gamera designs and mostly Iris and Barugon until that's if we get a season 2 of Gamera Rebirth. But so far I did not notice that Barugon was not in that series, because so far it was only Gals, Jiger, Zigerin, Gorion, I cannot say that name right, and Virus. But still, holy crap, I got my first 3 Gamera Rebirth figures. Now it just means wait for the other 3 to show up. And not the other 3 showing up. We just need to wait for the other 3 kaiju to get their figures, and then I'll order them. And then I'll have more villains in my collection. But yes, I got Gamera, baby. Holy crap. So, anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.